Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving at Bussloo and I'll take you through the history of the site and show you everything you can expect underwater. Plus, I'll tell you everything you need to know before diving here, so let's dive right in. When people think about diving in the Netherlands, they often think about Zeeland or the North Sea. But hidden inland, near the city of Apeldoorn, lies one of the most popular freshwater dive sites in the country, Bussloo. At first glance, it looks like just another recreational lake. But beneath the surface, there's actually a small underwater park, complete with a bus, buildings, and plenty of underwater life. What many people don't realize is that Bussloo is not a natural lake. The lake was originally created through sand extraction in the late 1960s. The sand was removed from this area and was used for major construction projects in the region, including the A1 highway. As sand was removed, the excavation slowly filled with groundwater, eventually forming the lake we see today. In the late 1970s, the area was transformed into a recreational park, with beaches, water sports, and space for outdoor activities. And over time, divers also discovered the potential of this lake. One of the things that makes Bussloo unique is the underwater park. In the 1990s, local divers wanted to make the site more interesting, especially for training and navigation. So they started placing objects underwater that divers could explore. In 1997, a decommissioned city bus was donated to a group of divers. Before sinking it, the bus was carefully prepared. All dangerous materials were removed and openings were created so divers could safely swim through it. With the help of cranes and local authorities, the bus was lowered into the lake, and since then it became the most iconic object in Bussloo. But the bus is far from the only thing on the water here. Over the years, several other objects have been added to create a small underwater route that divers could follow. You can find things like a small underwater house, a bus stop, construction structures, and various artificial reefs. Many of these objects are connected with guidelines, which makes it easier for divers to navigate between them, especially when visibility is limited. For new divers, it's a great place to practice navigation and buoyancy, while still having interesting landmarks to explore. Despite being an artificial lake, Bussloo is also home to a surprising amount of freshwater life. Divers frequently encounter pike, perch, carp, bream, and freshwater crayfish. The pike are often the highlight. They like to hide between vegetation, near structures, or sometimes even inside the bus. If you move slowly and keep a good distance, you can often get very close to them. During the summer, the lake is also filled with aquatic plants, which creates a completely different underwater landscape. Diving in Bussloo is generally shallow and accessible. Most dives range between 6 and 15 meters, making it suitable for beginners as well as experienced divers who just want a relaxed dive. Visibility can vary a lot depending on the season, the weather, and the amount of algae in the water. On a good day, you might encounter 6 to 8 meters of visibility, while on other days it can be quite limited. But that's also part of the charm of freshwater diving in the Netherlands. Today, Bussloo has become one of the most frequently visited inland dive sites in the Netherlands. You will often see people doing training dives, fun dives, underwater photography, or joining the club for a diving day. The combination of easy access, shallow depths, and interesting underwater objects makes it the perfect place for both learning and exploring. Even though it started as a sand excavation site, Bussloo has evolved into something much more. A unique freshwater dive location with its own history and underwater attractions. And whether you're coming here for training, photography, or just a relaxing dive, there's always something new to discover below the surface. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm editing the video right now and I forgot to do the outro. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have ever gone diving at Bussloo. I'd love to hear your experience about the dive site. Don't forget to check out my social media pages and my KitGo page for my dive equipment. And as always, dive safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.